I'm going to show you how I install this metal peel and stick mosaic tile backsplash. This is going over a new countertop. It has a few electrical outlets that I'll show you how I cut them. Here is a before picture. I started off by putting protecting covering. We decided to remove the side walls of the countertop using a utility knife and a screwdriver and a pry bar. I was able to pull off the side walls. Just cleaning off the remaining silicone that was used to attach the side walls to the drywall. I'm going to be using a jigsaw to cut the holes for the outlets. I'm going to be using a circular saw with a track to cut straight lines. Here I am starting off at the corner. So these tiles have teeth-like ends that need to be cut to begin at the corner. So I cut out straight lines and install my first tiles at the corner. Then you can just quickly peel off the backing and put them in place. So here is another outlet where I put painter's tape just to get an idea on where I can cut. So here in this corner, the drywall is not perpendicular to the cabinet on the right side. So they're not perfectly 90 degrees. So I had to make some adjustment for the tile on the right side of the wall to touch in a 90-degree angle. Or at an angle where it's not visible. Then at the end I finished the ends. It's a little bit tricky to cut under the microwave and get very close to the cabinets. So here for the electrical outlet, I'm going to be using spacers on the back of the outlet to bring the outlet out and onto the top of the tile. So using a spacer keeps it sturdy. And once you put spacer on the top and bottom, then you're ready to go. So to finish off, I used silicone caulking all around the edges, and here is the final output. I hope you guys like it.